Hi, I am John, Aras PLM architect.
Hi, I am Jennifer. I am a process engineer. Hello, John. I remember altering the components in two separate versions of the assembly at various levels of structure. I must now report the modifications I made between these versions. Is it possible to compare these structures?
Absolutely. There is a Structure Compare OOTB functionality available in Structure browser.
I'm aware of it. I think the comparison that was made by OOTB functionality is quite basic. I need little advanced version of that, like reports with color-coded changes.
I see now. Are there any further requirements that you have?
Yes, I should be able to synchronously scroll through the structure, expand and collapse the assembly's structure, and export the comparison as an Excel file.
Don't worry, though. We also have a solution for that. Allow me to demonstrate it inside the system. Structure Compare tool provides you with a thorough comparison report that is color-coded with the differences. Tool can be used for two different parts or different versions of the same part. I have opened Structure Compare tool. For demo purpose, let's compare two different versions of part MP0101. I will search for the part and add to both objects. Right now, let's match the comparison based on part number and select View Properties to compare. Click on Compare. Comparison is generated and rows with changes are highlighted in yellow. Changes in properties are redlined. Click on Expand All to expand the complete structure. Components added newly are highlighted in blue and deleted components are highlighted in red. User can synchronously scroll through the comparison report. You can also export the comparison report in an Excel format by clicking on the export icon.
Wow! This is actually interesting and advanced tool for the structure comparing. Thank you so much for demonstrating.
For such amazing and advanced toolset, SteepGraph is known. You can come to us anytime with your problem. I would be happy to propose a tool with a solution.